In a world where precision matters, 3 axes aren't always enough. That's where 4-axis CNC machining steps in, adding flexibility, speed, and accuracy to your manufacturing process. What is 4-axis CNC machining? Traditional CNC machines move along 3 linear axes, X, Y, and Z. A 4-axis machine adds a rotating axis, commonly known as the A-axis, which rotates the part around the X-axis. This added motion allows for machining multiple sides of a part in a single setup, saving time and boosting accuracy. Why go with 4-axis CNC machining? First, higher efficiency. Multiple faces can be machined without having to reposition the part manually. Second, greater precision. Fewer setups reduce the risk of alignment errors. Third, expanded capability. 4-axis machines can handle geometries that standard 3-axis machines simply can't. Applications and use cases. Aerospace parts, medical devices, custom gears, shafts, and complex geometry. 4-axis CNC machining is perfect for cylindrical parts, gears, and detailed profiles used in aerospace, automotive, and medical industries. It handles intricate contours and side features with ease, all in one fully automated cycle. At Yijin Solution, we specialize in high-precision 4-axis CNC machining tailored to your exact specifications. With state-of-the-art equipment, experienced engineers, and rigorous quality control, we make sure every part meets your expectations, every time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on CNC and precision machining.